Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Danrie from Craft of Giving, and in today's video I want to share how to make these super simple and super easy resin little dog tags or even keychains. To make your little keychains slash dog tags, you will need these little embellishments that come as a little frame with no backing or no front. The first step is to ensure that our resin doesn't just pour everywhere once we pour it into our backless embellishment. So to stop your resin from running, it's easy to stick down some sticky tape to the back side of the embellishment. Now I'm making it easier for myself here by folding back the excess to make like little tabs so that I don't constantly have little sticky tabs. And this allows me to move my little embellishment around without getting sticky fingers or accidentally knocking it over. Because I am a clumsy person, it is very likely to happen. Now using a little resin mixing cup here, it is a disposable cup, please don't hate me. Pour in your UV resin and then you can color your resin any color you want. This is a super simple one where I only added some holographic glitter to create my backing for my little initial dog tag. Now I'm making these for my two beautiful dogs, Arlo and Wendy, so it will be an A and a W for Arlo and Wendy. So once I've mixed my resin together with my holographic glitter, I went ahead and poured it into my little embellishment, getting rid of any little air bubbles by just poking them with my little mixing stick. Super simple. Now I don't want to overfill this because we do want to add a clear layer on top. For my little initials, I'm using a Lightbox's little letters that you would slide in to create little words in your Lightbox. Now I've never used mine other than just for my logo Craft of Giving, so I'm pretty confident that I will never use my W or A ever. So go ahead and added that into the center of my little dog tag slash keychain and then set that under a UV light because this is UV activated resin. This is what it looks like where you have a nice hard solid surface now, and then I went ahead and decorated a little bit more. I felt like it needed something else other than just the W and the glitter. I like a little bit of sparkle. So I did go ahead and added these tiny little holographic looking stars from a resin kit that I got many years ago and never had the opportunity to use it. I did go a little bit star crazy here and decided that 6 was the perfect amount of stars to create like a little border around my W. Once I was happy with the placement of my stars, I did go ahead and add that final layer of just clear UV resin. Only a little bit goes a long way. And then using my little pokey stick here, I did go ahead and slowly push that resin to the edges to create a nice smooth edge without accidentally spilling it over the side. I did speed the footage up. This took a little while. So be patient, it's totally worth it to make sure there's no bubbles and it creates a beautiful, even smooth top over the top of my dog tag. After about a good 5 minutes of pushing that resin around to make sure the edges were fully covered but not overflowing, I did go ahead and place it under my little UV light again to set the top layer. Now I do have two types of UV lights that I use for nails and thought, well, why not give it an extra bit of love under this one, see if it makes any difference. It didn't. UV light's UV light. And then after a couple of minutes it was fully set and went ahead and pulled my sticky tape off the back. It did not leave any sticky bits or anything like that. To finish off my little dog tags, I did go ahead and add a key ring onto each one, and now they're ready to go onto my dog's collars or onto a key ring as a cute little initial key ring. Now you can totally add a phone number or the dog's full name on the back side of the tags, totally up to you. This is your project. Now you bet your bottom dollar I bribed my beautiful dogs with some delicious treats that also interested the cat, but here they are with their amazing new little dog tags. Beautiful Wendy and beautiful Arlo. Please give this video a big old thumbs up for my amazing models of today. If you like this video, of course give me a like, leave me a comment down below. What is your pet's name? I make videos on handmade gifts and other fun DIY projects. I thank you for watching. Remember to be crafty with your giving and I'll catch you next time. Bye!